Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add pins to a board on Pinterest. The first thing you will need to do is open Pinterest. Once on the app and you see a pin that you would like to add to the board, for example this one right here, you'll simply press down on it. Then you're going to select the pin icon. After selecting the pin icon, you will see the boards that you have created. For example, you can see test and test 1. You can tap on the board that you would like to add it to, and that's it. So now if I should tap on my profile pic in the bottom right hand corner, you can tap on test right here, as you can see the board right here, and you can see that the pin has been added. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.